Well, we've done a lot to this car. I believe the last video was about the rear suspension, lubing it up, making sure that everything that could break has been lubricated so that if it does break, I can get it out. Since then, we've got the cage in. This is the cage we actually took from another car. I think that was in the last video. Still little things we got to do. We got to make the gas tank protector wider because the rules say 36 and we're at 32, so that does have to go wider. We got the gas tank in, we got a gas tank bracket, we built a battery box this morning. I just have a battery in it. That's probably not the battery I'm going to run because it's not a overly good battery. We got the fuse panel out of infected into this. We got the windshield bar onto this car, so that's nice to see that back. Fuel shut off. We haven't done anything underneath the hood yet. Well, maybe I ran some wiring to the alternator and that's about it. We checked the compression on this motor, 195, 215, 215, 215. So she's pretty healthy. I got all the brakes working again, not the best. They'll still have to be bled. We got the doors all tied shut on this side. I'd like to maybe weld some patches down here just to keep it on there. We got the trunk like completely done. We got the dimples. We're not allowed to fold the sides in. We're not allowed to completely dish the trunk. We're not allowed to modify the speaker deck. But, you know, it's coming along pretty good. I'm kind of playing as well within the rules as I can. Trying to push them, but I know that if I push them, I'll get talked to when I get there. So I'm trying to make this car look super clean with the wiring, and it's almost there. I just need to do a good vacuum out of all the metal shrapnel on the inside. We have to change the shifter still because this is a factory shifter. I do not want to run the factory shifter. I got to cut some wiring out of this passenger door and some wiring out of the driver door. But yeah, there's still lots to do. The Derby's still 2 months away, so could be better. But what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be driving this one outside and pulling another one in. Corey, would you like to get inside the car and start it up? Driver door open, so we're going to pull it into the shed right in front of the blue car there with just the motor underneath. So all the toggle switches on, and then this blue wire, green wire, touch it off to positive. Okay, put it in drive. Brakes are not the best. Try the brakes. See? Perfect. So you know, it actually runs really well. I'm actually pretty pleased on how well this car runs. Oh, look at it. He's already spinning the tires. Damn it, Corey. Give you half an inch and you spin the tires. Hey, Corey! Put it more off to this side so that way we can open the door. So my team car is coming along fantastically. Yeah, that's it. All right, straight ahead. Right up to where you touch. There you go. So by having this car pretty much already done, see now, look how much space is left to open your door. That's much nicer. By having this car pretty much done, this one here is the one that we want to be turning our focus to here. And it's coming along pretty good too. It's kind of farther ahead in some places and less behind in different places. He's got more of the electrical done to the motor. He's got a shifter in it. All that fun stuff, header on. But his cage is almost done. He hasn't done any of the doors or anything yet. But it's coming along. His gas tank protector looks huge compared to mine. So the rules are that every post has to, all the gas tank protector has to come back to the post to post. So we do like to bring them up to the B pillar here, but we're not allowed at this show. So yeah, that's done. He ain't done nothing to his trunk yet. His hood is over there, but it's coming along. Our cars are looking pretty good for this show coming up. But that's basically what's been going on. We've been working on a couple Toyotas, trying to get stuff done, slowly piddling away at them. But it's coming along, that's for sure. But thanks everybody for watching. This has just been a little bit of an update video, and seeing what we can do and seeing what we have done and slowly chipping away at them. Like, we got 2 months, so we'll have to see. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow with more building, because that's all we can really do. We can't really be running anything lately. Just more and more and more and more building. See you guys back here tomorrow.